Types of construction. For purposes of this code, all buildings proposed for construction shall be classified or identified according to the following types. Type 1. Type 1 building shall be a wood construction. The structural element may be any of the materials permitted by this code. Type 2. Type 2 building shall be of wood construction with protective fire-resistant material. Type 3. Type 3 building shall be of masonry and wood construction. Structural element may be any of the materials permitted by this code, provided that the building shall be 1R fire resistant. Throughout exterior walls shall be incombustible fire resistant construction. Type 4. Type 4 buildings shall be of steel, iron, concrete, or masonry construction. Walls, ceiling, and permanent partitions shall be of incombustible fire-resistive construction, except that permanent non-bearing partitions of 1R fire-resistive construction may use fire-retardant treated wood within the framing assembly. Type 5. Type 5 buildings shall be fire-resistive. The structural elements shall be of steel, iron, concrete, or masonry. Constructions, walls, ceilings, and permanent partitions shall be of incombustible fire-resistive construction. Hala, hapit naman na yung quiz. Ay miss, tulungan na kita. PD 1096.
Nasus, oy, mura na nag-recipe book sa imong mama.
Ay, tabangan na ng tikano, miss.
Pero when it comes to, mga rules, important kayo na siya book when it comes to kanyang mga roof, mga walls, and even parking spaces.
Ay, kabalo ko ani. The National Building Code. Muna akong isadihan kanina ba? Pero, anong need pa man yun?
To set rules, imagine, that building might collapse because someone skipped a step. Here in the Philippines, we're like pros at surviving disasters. Earthquakes, typhoons, you name it. The building code, ambitin natin yan, making sure our homes and offices can handle whatever nature throws at them. PD 1096 set rules for roofs, making sure that the roofs will not blow like paper airplanes. Or earthquakes, making sure that the building will not bend and break.
Medyo curious lang ako sa cover ng code na to. Ano ba mga cover nito?
Actually, marami, too many to mention. But for a breakdown, it covers the structural safety, para di lugi ang bahay mo sa lindol o any disasters. For fire safety. For awareness of human disasters like fire. And for accessibility. Accessibility even with PWD, as everyone deserves safety.
Denied?
Uy, inaproba ng building permit ko.
Bakit pa ba kailangan ng building permit? Na obvious naman na malakas yung ipapatayo nating building or bahay.
No one wants it obviously, but for legal basis. You might think, why bother with permits? It's like getting a professional to level check your work. They make sure that your plans won't accidentally create destruction.
Ma, accepted na building permit ko.
But some people try to skip permits to save money. But guess what? If madakpan jud ka ana, wala jud fines, imprisonment, and heavy punishment along the way. Kaya ikaw, not to gaslight, mas mabuti nang na-reject yan kaysa sa na-skip. Hindi lang ikaw ang dihado, pati ang makikinabang sa building mo.
Sa makita nimo, dili gid ideal nimong balay. So pag naay emergency no, kami tanan din sa mong balay kay gapalak jud.
Wala kaming proper drainage, kaya paglalakas ang ulan, baha ang kilalabasan. Kapagod mag-akyat ng gamit sa taas, parati na lang.
Makita nimo among balay nga diri dapit sa iyang poste na jud crack. So anytime na naay lindol, paguba na jud ni siya or
With structured buildings and countless disasters the world is facing, a strong foundation is indeed necessary. As it was in the human rights to have a shelter and home, it is also a right for everyone to have a strong home. At the end of the day, PD 1096 isn't just for engineers or architects. It is for all of us. Whether you're building a house, opening a shop, or just enjoying your home, it's nice to know someone's thought about your safety. So next time, when you see a building permit and safety inspection, give it a little nod of respect. It's a proof that someone out there cares about your safety. Dito na ako. Thank you sa tudong.
Gamit mo pala.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat din. Marami ako natutunan ngayong araw.
My pleasure. Bye!